SCP-106 is also able to corrode and corrupt material, rusting metal, and rotting organic matter. SCP-106 will use these abilities to stalk and kill humans, typically children, teenagers, and young adults. As SCP-106 is resistant to damage, retreating is the best way to increase your survival chances. However, ballistic weaponry may distract it, and it is therefore recommended that you also arm yourself. The SCP Foundation is currently attempting to track, locate, and recontain SCP-106. Stay inside, and retreat from SCP-106 if it appears to attack you. Secure. Contain. Protect.